Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to set up Google Tag Manager in Go High Level funnels. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, you are going to go to your Google Tag Manager and you are going to click on Admin. And after you click on Admin, you're going to say Install Google Tag Manager right here. So here you're going to find two tracking codes. One that is going to be pasted in the head of the page and one that is going to be pasted in the body of the page. So you're going to keep this open and you are going to go to your Go High Level funnels. You are going to select the funnel that you want to insert Google Tag Manager in, and you are going to go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you are going to find the head tracking code and the body tracking code right here. So all you have to do is to copy the header code from Google Tag Manager, paste it right here, then go to Tag Manager, copy this part of the code that is going to go to the body tag, then you're going to paste it here, and you're going to scroll down, hit save, and that's it. That's how you can install Google Tag Manager in Go High Level funnels. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.